Gemini v2.5 AI has just been released, and it's already making waves as one of the most powerful AI tools available right now. If you're wondering whether it's right for you or how it compares to other tools, stay tuned, because we're about to dive into 7 crucial things you need to know about Gemini v2.5 AI. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes this software stand out and why you should care about it. Before we get into it, I want to remind you that you can try Gemini v2.5 AI for free from the first link in the description below. So if you're ready to dive in, just click that link and test it out yourself. Let's start with its power. Gemini v2.5 is a next-generation AI software designed to handle a range of tasks, from natural language processing to data analytics, at a speed and accuracy that far outpaces many of its competitors. Whether you're into digital marketing, business development, or any other field, this software can seriously elevate your game. But what makes Gemini v2.5 so unique? Let's break it down. First off, the integration capabilities. Gemini v2.5 comes with out-of-the-box compatibility for several popular platforms like Google Ads, Facebook, and more. That's huge for marketers, business owners, and anyone running paid ad campaigns. It allows you to seamlessly integrate and streamline your workflows without having to deal with clunky manual data transfers. This means less time spent on data entry and more time for strategy. Next up, the automation features. This software is designed to make your life easier by automating a ton of time-consuming tasks. Whether you need AI-driven reporting, customer segmentation, or even content generation, Gemini v2.5 can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The automation here isn't just about saving you time, it's about improving the precision and efficiency of your operations, giving you better results with less effort. But let's talk about the real game changer, its AI-driven insights. Gemini v2.5 offers deeper, more accurate insights into customer behavior and business performance. This isn't just surface-level data. The AI analyzes trends, predicts outcomes, and even gives you actionable recommendations, which can be invaluable for making smarter, data-driven decisions. This feature alone could easily transform how you make strategic choices in your business. Another standout is the user experience. Despite all the powerful features it offers, Gemini v2.5 is designed to be intuitive and easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and the learning curve is minimal compared to other AI software. The interface is clean, well-organized, and accessible, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced users. Security is also a top priority with Gemini v2.5. It offers end-to-end encryption and ensures that your data is protected at all times. This is crucial, especially for businesses handling sensitive customer information. You don't have to worry about breaches or data theft with this tool in your corner. Now, let's talk about scalability. Gemini v2.5 is not just for small businesses, it's built to grow with you. Whether you're just starting out or already managing large-scale operations, Gemini can scale to fit your needs. This is critical for businesses that plan to expand, as the software will adapt to increasing demands without compromising performance. Finally, the support you get with Gemini v2.5 is exceptional. From a comprehensive knowledge base to 24/7 customer support, the team behind this software makes sure that you have everything you need to succeed. If you run into any issues or need guidance, help is just a click away. Now, to wrap things up, I want to remind you that you can try Gemini v2.5 AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After testing thousands of AI software tools, I can confidently say that Gemini v2.5 is one of the most powerful, user-friendly, and versatile options out there right now. And if you're interested in more tools like it, I've also included a list of my recommended AI software in the description that you can try out at no cost. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out those free trials.